MCAS Airshow. What'd you get? Ooh, what is this?
MB-22 Osprey. They dropped something right there.
Whoa!
The front opens and the back opens.
What is this called again? Puppy. It's a big airplane. The biggest airplane in the Air Force. We're going inside. Look at that wing. Her tail. Whoa. Whoa. Probably have patches, shirts. 9th Airlift SQ. Bunch of people falling from the sky. Oh, it's future Marines about to go to boot camp. There's a bunch of food concessionaires and food trucks. Some people even brought their dogs. You could bring your dog. There's a bomb. Whoa, look at that smoke. That's scary. Look, Toyota's back. We were just here yesterday. What's this?
F-18.
F-18? What does it do? Is this from Top Gun? Oh, it is the Top Gun plane. They're dummies. Just bodies everywhere.
Much better.
Dana Point 5th Marines. Plane is this?
C-130.
C-130. I'm gonna go in.
Oh, never mind.
It's a lot of people. Cute truck. It's a robot. Hi. It's Luau as a robot. It's marching. guys are carrying a truck and artillery. A whole ass truck, the ones we got in earlier. It's the Blue Angels plane right there. The blue one. The ones carrying the trucks. Oh my goodness. They're carrying trucks and artillery. That's a truck. They're carrying a truck. Commemorative Air Force on the plane. Oh, is this an Air Force plane? Look at this plane, it's so cute. Called Buddy. We got our Navy dog tags, both on the blue team. We gotta get one of these to go in here and do the virtual reality. We got a free iron-on patch. We've been here for almost 3 hours, so it's time to go. It's so hot. What are we gonna do next? Have Jollibee?
Get ice cream.
Okay.
Bye.